Confirm the control board is receiving the correct signal from the thermostat by measuring 24 to 29 volts, alternating current at the appropriate terminal while calling for heat, cool, or fan. Begin by turning power off and removing the thermostat cover to expose its wiring and terminals. Note the common wire and the terminal labeled for heating, cooling, or fan to avoid misidentification. Restore power and set the thermostat to call the specific function you intend to test, then use a digital multimeter set to the alternating current range to measure between the common terminal and the active terminal. A steady reading between 24 and 29 volts alternating current indicates the thermostat is sending the control signal. If the meter reads 0 or a fluctuating low voltage, check for loose connections, corroded wire ends, or a failed thermostat transformer, which can be tested at its primary and secondary leads for continuity and proper output. Inspect the control board visually for labeled LED status indicators. Many modern boards have light-emitting diodes that blink or change color to show incoming signals or error conditions. Document their behavior against the manufacturer's legend. If the thermostat signal is present at the board but the system does not respond, trace downstream relays and contactors for mechanical failure and verify that the control board's input fuse is intact. Replace with the exact rated fuse if blown. When working with live voltage, follow safety procedures. Use insulated tools, stand on a dry surface, and if uncertain, shut power and consult a licensed heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. Common issues include missing voltage from a blown transformer or fuse. Solution: confirm transformer secondary output and replace the transformer or fuse with an exact specification match while isolating power first. Loose or miswired thermostat connections. Solution: tighten terminals and verify wire labeling matches the control board schematic, reattach any slipped strands and secure with ferrules if needed. And misleading lead behavior due to dirt or board damage. Solution: clean contacts with electronic contact cleaner. Compare LED patterns to the manual and replace the control board if LEDs show fault codes that persist after basic repairs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by offering project matching and verified reviews to help confirm technicians who can test and repair thermostat-to-board signal issues. The site also helps contractors find targeted work leads and manage credentials, so homeowners get skilled professionals for reliable diagnostics.